Hi, I'm Mandy, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Slack integration webhook, aka configure an automation script sending messages to Slack or Teams. So a use case for this would be if you have a script automating something and you want to notify the humans either of an error or you found something or it started or ended, whatever notification you want, and stick around to the end to see if our treasure hunters end up with the treasure. So here we have the treasure hunt Slack channel, and we go up to the top here to the settings, integrations, apps. Search for webhook, scroll down to the app directory, click install incoming webhook, add to Slack, type in the treasure hunt channel, add incoming webhook integration, and we are going to grab this URL, copy, and put that into our code here. I just made a video on the top 16 bash commands you need to know as a beginner. I will link that somewhere up here. Now this is a bash script. We're assigning the webhook URL here, pasting from where we got it, and the payload, which is the message that this script is going to send to Slack. So this script is searching for hidden treasure, okay? And our curl command is what's going to send the payload to Slack. So curl is a bash command that sends data to any URL through the post, and we are giving it the treasure hunt channel. Okay, username happy treasure hunters. The text is this payload that we assigned earlier, and the icon emoji is a gem. So that will send, and then something's going to happen, maybe pirates, and the payload's going to change. Okay, new curl command to the treasure hunt channel with the sad treasure hunters username and a different payload that we assign here, different icon emoji, the pirate flag. So remember, the icon emoji is associated with the username, so they both have to change in order for one to change. Let's see how it works. Okay, and here we have the happy treasure hunters. This is important, I found the hidden treasure, and the sad treasure hunters just lost it. If you've learned anything in this video so far, please hit the subscribe button. It is completely free for you and means a lot to me. So this is the same bash script sending two different messages with a different icon, different username. So say, oh, we have an error. Oh, we found drift. Oh, we did whatever you're trying to do in your script. That is how you do it. Now, if you want to send it to Teams, it works a little different. So this is the Teams layout, okay? You can set up an incoming webhook on the Teams section, not the chat section. So it has to be a team within the Teams section of Teams, okay? You're gonna do the ... set up an incoming webhook, just basically the same as we did with the Slack one, but the big difference is that with Teams, the payload has to be in HTML format. So the curl command is going to have write out, HTTP code, content type, application JSON, okay, title and payload, same webhook URL. And if you do this without formatting it at all in HTML, you'll see that it doesn't format the new lines. It all just comes out in one block. So to add new lines at the end of each line, if you do have new lines in your payload, this is a sed command, which is a bash command that takes the end of each line and just adds the HTML bracket, break bracket at the end of each line. So that should have your Teams channel message come out as new lines. And then this echo prints it, pipes that output to the sed command. This is saved into the HTML payload variable, which is sent to the curl command as the text here. If you're more interested in bash commands, let me know. I will make more videos on it. There's more videos coming soon. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out. Comment if you're interested in learning anything else. Interact with me. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thank you.